Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix we cannot verify your address in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone and you're trying to create a new Apple ID or you're trying to add your billing address or your payment method into Apple ID, but you're facing this type issue, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So very first you just have to simply go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. Then go back, go for software update, and try to make a software update here. Once updated, you just have to go back, go for the language region option, select region, and select your own region in which you're living. Once you have selected, you have to simply go back from here, open your app store, tap on your profile option in the top right corner, then tap on your Apple ID here, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, and then select country or region option. And here you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. Once you have selected, tap on this continue option here, then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you have to enter all the details perfectly. So very first you have to enter your payment method. If you don't have, you can select none option from here. Then you have to enter your billing address. Very first you have to enter your street. If you don't know about that, so you can search from Google Maps. And after that, if these two are optional, you can skip them or you can also enter your street here again and then enter your postcode. If you don't know about your postcode, so you can search from Google and once you enter your postcode, enter your town, then country, then your phone number, and then your name. After all, you just have to tap on this done option in the top right corner and your Apple ID will be created successfully without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.